Y'all know the word.
Bitch with me.
Yeah.
Feel good to weed.
You got all that shit? Yeah.
I got Young Money up, and now I got my feet up. Tune in this bitch, tell my niggas throw them bees up. Doing what the fuck I want, hate me all the fuck you want. Real niggas fuck with me, and I don't give a fuck who don't. Lock the CEO up, and I'm the CEO. Fuck prison in February, and I ain't in no rush. Drink till I throw up, nigga roll more blunts. Ball so hard, man, I gotta go pro once. Hit him with the shotgun, call that shit the stop button. Call me Dr. Cotton, aka Young Wild nigga, aka no trial nigga, aka click clack blow nigga. Fucking with the kid and you'll be missing like Bilal nigga, yeah. Swagger stupid, pack a Uzi, 100 clips nigga, that's a movie. Aim at your toupee, you sweet as Kool-Aid, cream brulee. I'm sharp as Blu-ray, I fuck her today, then she gotta skate. Young Lupe, I hit the beat hard. Bobby Boucher, I keep them tools on me. Get the screw face, flowers for the dead. Here's a bouquet, LVs nigga on every suitcase. YM